Okay, thank you very much. I just want to congratulate Acting Secretary. This is a big position. Elaine Duke, a terrific person, has done an amazing job for the Trump administration and everywhere she proceeded, so congratulations. It's a very important thing you're doing. We are very strong on Homeland Security, and we're very strong with respect to FEMA. FEMA is something I've been very much involved in already. We've had some things during the last 6 months, including the highway in Atlanta, where I have to say the governor and all concerned did a fantastic job of rebuilding that stretch of highway that ended up burning so badly. We found the reasons why, and it wasn't a good reason, but nevertheless, they did it in record time. I'm a builder, and I understand they did it ahead of schedule and under budget, and that was very nice to see. So we have many things like that. We've already taken care of many of the situations that really needed emergency funds. We do it quickly, we do it effectively. We have an incredible team, and I just want to thank Elaine, all of you people, and your representatives. They have really done a fantastic job. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.